Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare QuickBooks vs Gusto, which is better. Follow these steps to compare core features, payroll handling, integrations, pricing, and tax support so you can choose confidently. I will highlight where each platform shines, who benefits most from payroll or accounting focus, and common trade-offs like cost versus features. Stay tuned for clear comparisons and practical tips to help you pick the right option for your business needs. Payroll and tax handling can make or break your experience, so we'll walk through exact workflows and protections. I'll explain how automated tax filings, 1099 contractor support, and payroll schedules differ between the services. We will compare ease of use for running payroll, how taxes are remitted, and what support looks like during tax season. This gives you a practical sense of which tool reduces headaches for payroll tasks. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video is helping you decide, please subscribe and like. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers have saved me time and stress during busy payroll weeks, and they're a handy sidekick for any small business owner juggling lunches and deadlines. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Accounting and integrations determine how smoothly your financial data flows across tools, so I'll compare real scenarios. We will look at reconciliation, reporting, and how payroll entries sync into your general ledger. I'll also highlight integration breadth, common app partners, and automation options that save time. By the end, you'll understand which platform keeps your books cleaner and which requires manual adjustments or extra apps to bridge gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.